Hey YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Sean here again. I'm Sean's Rabbit Train Aquaponic Producer, and we're back with another rabbit farming video. Well, as you would have seen from the title, you know what's going on today. Today we are cooking a rabbit. So we're going to taking you guys deep into the taste and culture of Trinidad and Tobago, featuring rabbit meat, of course. We're not going to be featuring any other meat on this channel. Today is part 1 of our cooking series. We're going to be doing what we call an oven barbecue. So we're going to take you guys behind the scenes to see how that's going to go down. So stay tuned and we'll be back with more right after the intro. Okay guys, so we're back. And like I said in the intro, today we're doing an oven barbecue. But guess what? I brought some help. Right, so today I have with me, let me introduce my boy DT.
Welcome everybody.
Right, and my girl Josefina.
Hola, un placer estar aquí.
Nice. So, we're going to take you guys behind the scenes and show you how this oven barbecue goes down. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so the first thing we're going to do is season the meat. We've already processed the rabbit and cut it up into several pieces. So now we're going to get some seasoning, some herbs and spices to season that meat. One thing about food in Trinidad, everything is about the seasoning. We love heavily seasoned foods. So if that's something that you like, you're going to definitely enjoy our culture. So let's collect some seasoning. Let's go. Mas. See? Yeah. So, having collected all these nice herbs and spices from our very own aquaponic system, we're now going to put that into the blender to start the whole seasoning process here. It's a very simple process. You know, we're just blending up basically some chives, some celery, some shadow benny, or what is known as cilantro, some pimentos, which is a type of peppers that aren't really high in heat, more in flavor. You know, but it tastes really nice, see? So you're gonna cut, yeah, everything. Notice. Just gonna toss all of that into the blender. Season up that meat and get this process started.
Págame por el video.
I'll pay for the video. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay.
Mi face.
Yeah,
No,
yeah.
no, no,
See,
no.
see.
Pay,
Okay,
pay,
okay. Right. Yeah, you understand? Yeah. Yeah. The agent score.
Sí, ya. Okay. Right, so we're gonna take these rabbit parts out. They've already been processed. Right, this is one whole rabbit. Has been cut into about 10 parts. You understand? So now we're gonna just add the seasoning. Yeah. Oh yeah, that looks lovely. Yeah, go ahead. Some salt. Alright. A bit of salt. See? Yeah. And some barbecue sauce. See that? See? See?
Guys, remember this is just an outside cooker. I am by no means a chef, right? We just like cooking, and more so we like to cook rabbit. So we're outdoors today and we decide we'll just have a cook. So this is something you can do in your kitchen as well, right? Or if you decide to do it outdoors as well like us.
Sin emoción. No hay chiste.
Tasting that already, boy, done me, boy. Secret is in the sauce. Yeah, so like I said earlier now, we're doing this oven barbecue, but guess what? It's not a conventional oven. It's an outdoor dirt oven. So check this out, guys. When this get hot, do it itself, this get hot too, eh? When that whole heat, brother. Woo! Watch where you feel. Touch it. Because of the design, the air is go in and the heat is raised and come back up and go up here soon.
Like it kind of circulating.
Yeah. That's right.
You know how it all is.
Oh.
Caliente.
Yeah. Nice. What we missing now is some meat. No choice now but to yeah, way.
Try container. Don't get as big as I don't really know what you're doing of course here, but the size of this try container. Nah, man.
Yeah, they're really kind of big, eh? But nothing special, you know.
I am 6'1". Nah, man. Something going on. Something going
Yeah,
on.
close up on them leaf there, right? Yeah, put your hand on that leaf there, let me see, right? Yeah.
Nah, man. Have a plan for them.
Yeah.
I'm buying a pack of smoke tomorrow, sure.
Mm-hmm.
These are the menu for Sunday. I telling them nothing. And when they like it, by then the video will be coming out during the week. I go say, only watch that. Talk to me now.
finished. And now we have the finished product here, as you can see. So all that remains to do now is the taste test. Yeah, there you go, bro.
Yes.
Hey. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Meat falling off the bone.
Tender. I pity they can't experience what we're experiencing right
You
now.
understand? Oh my God, look how soft this meat is. Falling off the bone.
Full points.
Hey. No, you taste the smoke?
Of course. Next level.
Oh my gosh. This is the finished product. Hey.
Bravo.
So guys, you saw it here first. Wood outdoor oven, barbecue rabbit. Words can't describe what we're experiencing right now. You know, so we're glad to have you guys here with us. We look forward to seeing you guys next week. Please go ahead and release a brand new rabbit farming video. So on behalf of my boy DT here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm all full. I'm all full.
Right? I'm a business partner, Sean McLean, who out there working hard in the trenches trying to keep this pandemic at bay. Big up to you, homie. Okay? So, Sean Austin, Sean's Rabbit Chain Aquaponic Produce, signing out. We see you guys in the next video. Peace.